Okay, so first of all, let's actually make it 2D, because if you guys don't know, Super Smash Bros 2D, but you guys probably know because you guys are literally watching this video right now. Let's just gonna make a really easy 2D platform. I'm just gonna make a really big spawn location. That is a platform. Eventually in the video, we're gonna have an NPC. So let's get an NPC, rig builder. Yeah, it's gonna be R6, and we're gonna put the NPC right over here. I'm gonna rotate it so it faces this direction. Okay. Now we're gonna make the 2D camera. First, let's make it where in Super Smash Bros, the camera kind of goes like out depending on how far away you are from the other player. Okay, we're gonna go into starter player. Let's go into starter character scripts. Make a local script. This one's just gonna be called camera control, right? I got the camera control. So first of all, we're gonna repeat test.wait until script.parent. Gonna wait until the character actually loads, and then we're going to do a workspace dot current camera dot camera type equals enum dot camera type dot scriptable local root part equals script dot parent with child humanoid root part equals. Oh yeah, I'm also gotta define the NPC. So later on in the series, when we add more NPCs, we're probably gonna change this. But right now we have one NPC. So wait for child rig, and yeah, C frame, and we're gonna find the middle of the positions of the characters. So we're just gonna quickly do local midpoint equals. I'm in geometry. I should know how to do the midpoint formula. I'm thinking right now. Okay, so first of all, before we continue, you gotta decide what direction the camera's facing. If it's this way or if it's this way. I'm gonna do mine this way. So in order to do that, we're gonna add a part. Just make it like here. So I want mine to be facing this way, and we're gonna add a decal to the part. Make sure it's facing. That's not facing the correct direction. We need to be facing this direction. We need the decal to be at that face, and we have to make this transparent. And we're gonna make it not cast shadow. We're gonna make it not able to collide. I'm gonna anchor it. Okay, so now that we have this, we're gonna name this one camera reference. Okay, so the midpoint is the we're gonna do another variable NPC root part equals NPC wait for child humanoid root part midpoint. So the midpoint is root part dot position minus the NPC root part dot position, or is it? Oh no, it's plus. And this, and then divide this by 2. I think that's how it, okay, and also I want to remove the decal from the spawn location. It doesn't look good. For the camera control, the midpoint, stuff. And we're gonna actually make this forever. So game.runService.heartbeat connect function. I'm gonna put this inside here. Put this above this, because why not? Okay, and after this, I'm gonna do this. C frame equals C frame dot new midpoints, and midpoint plus workspace wait for child camera reference workspace. Yeah, we're gonna get the camera reference, and dot look dot cframe dot look vector times negative 10. Let's just say negative 10 for now. Or we could make it okay. Local magnitude equals this minus this dot magnitude. We're just gonna make this negative 1 times the magnitude. So and we also have to make it actually pointing at, like actually looking at the player. So workspace dot current camera dot cframe equals, we're gonna change that to position, and we're gonna remove the cframe part of this. So we have that, and the cframe is the position and the look vector of this. I don't know if this is gonna work. We are gonna see. Okay, there is a little bit too much errors going on. Should probably fix that. Position is not a. Gotta change this to this. Oh. Okay. Dot C frame. We're just gonna change this back to C frame. Equals C frame. Dot new. Okay, now let's try it. There's another error. Oh. Let's see. Works with that C frame. Dot position. And now let's try it again. Okay, it's kind of working, but it's not, because yeah, we didn't code it correctly. Let's try it again. Okay, so it's turning, which is not supposed to happen. Okay, we're gonna change this into times, times. We're gonna remove this, and we're gonna also change this to rotation, and let's try this again. Okay, it's actually working. You see, it's getting closer when we go closer to the NPC, but you know, we always gotta make a minimum maximum distance, okay? Cause like you don't want it to get too far. Cause like that's too far, okay? I'm gonna set a minimum and maximum, okay? So you can change this anytime you want. My min is let's just make mine 10 studs. My max is, let's say, how large is the spawn location? My max is 139. Now what we want to do now is we're just gonna make math.clamp. We're gonna do this min max. Okay. Let's see if the minimum and the maximum work or not. Okay, now it should stop if we get too close, and it is. Okay, and yeah, let's see if the maximum works too. And I can't really tell, but I think it works. Okay, now we gotta make it where you can't walk off, like you can't, like you can press A and D. Also, this is not gonna be good for mobile yet, just because. Anyways, so we're gonna make it A and D are the only buttons you can press. W and okay, this is the script for the not letting the character move backwards. I mean, not letting it move forward and stuff. And also, this is just defining the player. And also, I got these pieces of code like from another YouTube video, because you know not everyone is perfect. I'll give credit in the description. Anyways, I'll explain it. Basically, all you want to know is this sync basically just makes the input doesn't work, so we're just syncing the forward and the backward movement. And yeah, so if I test it now, you shouldn't be able to press W and move off the cliff. Okay, we're not. We can't do that. Okay, let's see. We can still jump. That's a good thing. We actually gotta make the character spawn in the correct place, and we could also just make the spawn location. Just scale it so it's like this. That's a little short, and yeah, I want to make this long because I think that will look a little better. You know what? Just because I feel like it, we're gonna make this actually not look bad. See, we got that grass over here, and yeah. Now let's go. Now let's get started on the actual combat. We're just gonna code a jab for now. So we actually have to make the animations for the jab. Mine's gonna be very simple. And also, I can't share animations with you. That's just how Roblox works. You have to make your own animation. So in the Mario jab in Super Smash Bros, you have to just repeatedly jab, and the combo whatever, it only happens once you actually hit the person with the jab. So we're just gonna. No, I'm not really the Super Smash Bros. I'm not really the pro at Super Smash Bros. Just a normal player. Okay. Our jab, it's gonna be really fast, so we're gonna make it like I want my character to be like that. Okay, I want to make mine on the second frame actually. It's gonna be a really fast jab. It's just gonna stick his hands out like this, and I'm gonna move this a little forward. And that is my jab. It's actually not the worst jab, you gotta say. Yeah, I'm gonna upload this animation, and we're gonna put in starter character scripts, and we're gonna new local script. This one's gonna be called combat, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add an animation to it. The animation is gonna be called. That's the animation. Just put your animation ID in. So the jab, and I'll make my combo too. And my combo is actually we're gonna also name this animation jab, and my combo we're gonna do Mario's combo, just a 3-hit combo. For the first hit of the combo, I'm gonna reuse the jab animation. Don't mind me. And also I think it's called I don't know all the terms in Super Smash. I'm just gonna call this the M1. You guys can correct me in the comments. I'll probably change it. Anyways, make a M2, which is the second hit, which is not gonna be really that advanced because I'm trying to make animations quick. And he's just gonna punch with his other hand. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, we're gonna upload that. We're gonna get the animation ID. We're gonna duplicate that and put the new ID in, but name that one M2. And my M2 is gonna be the same as Mario's. Literally just kicks upwards, so it's gonna be really fast like the other ones too. Let's see here. Not the worst thing. Also, in this video, we're probably gonna save something for a later video, which is special effects. Because if we make all the special effects, like all the trails and stuff in this video, it's literally gonna be the longest video ever. So the attack animations won't look necessarily very cool in this one. So we got our animations. And let's do it. So For combat, we're just gonna do game that user input service dot input begin connect function input game processed. If game processed, then return end. And we're gonna make our attack just left clicking the mouse. So if input that use that user input type equals map that enum type equals enum that user input type dot mouse button 1, then we're gonna perform our jab. We're gonna just play the jab. Oh yeah, and also we're gonna define the animation as local jab equals script dot parent for child humanoid animator load animation script wait for child jab dot priority. It's also going to be animation is action for high priority. I'm going to duplicate this and we're going to put this one as M1. We're probably going to make it where we don't have to write that much for new animations later on in the series. Right now we're just going to do the easiest way. I'm going to change this to M3, M2, and M1. Okay, so the jab is gonna play, and then oh yeah, we also gotta do if it's like stunning and stuff. So the jab is wait, actually we're gonna go in replicate storage. We're gonna make a new remote event. Name this remote event combat event. And we're just gonna do game that local remote equals replicate game that replicate storage with child combat event and a remote fire server. First we're gonna fire server the name everything is jab, and yeah, I think that's the only thing we have to fire. Oh yeah, and also we're gonna make another listener. This time is remote dot on client event connect. We're gonna make this animation. Also, we're gonna make this much more efficient. This is not a very smart way to do this, but it's the shortest way. You guys don't want to watch a longer video, and you guys don't want to like. I don't want to confuse you guys. So animation equals jab, then jab play. That's pretty simple, and we're gonna make a new script again in server script storage. So it's not a local script, it's a normal script. This time it's named combat server. So the combat server, we're gonna do a few things. Local remote equals game that replicates storage wait for child combat event remote that on server event connect player attack. First of all, we're gonna make it so you can get stunned in this game, you know, stuff like that. So we're just gonna do player if we're gonna set a variable local char equals player a character if char get attribute can't input, then return end. And we're gonna do char set attribute can't input, so it can't input. And we are going to do remote fire client player jab Okay, first of all, okay, I wrote all this. You should probably write this down too. And yeah, I know these things are already gonna fix it later. Offset, okay, I'm gonna make the hitboxes pretty simple. The offset is the offset of the hitbox. We're gonna make mine just this. The hitbox size is just the hitbox size. Mine is gonna be, also you have to put C-frame, the new vector 2, the new 5, 5, and 5. The overlap params is what not to detect. And we're gonna make that equals overlap params not new. And there's not anything we should put in there for now. We just leave it like that. So after this, if hit player, then hit player take damage. Just make it take damage 1. I know in Super Smash Bros. There's no health thing. There's a percent thing. Probably gonna do that in the next tutorial because that's really advanced and this has to be a short episode. So right now it's just gonna take damage, but don't worry, guys. Okay, it's gonna take damage, and after it does that, we are going to set attribute. I'm gonna make this true first. So I'm gonna make this nil. Another thing we want to do is we're gonna do if attack equals jab, then I'm gonna put all this. I'm gonna put it inside here. Actually, probably want to get this out though. Okay, let's test this. Okay, there is a. I know now. Okay, I know why there's a bug. Side of combat. Make these all lowercase instead of capitalized. My bad. Oops, yeah, it's. Oh. Now the camera control's not working either. Okay. I think we should fix all of that. Now why it's not working, we had to put this up here actually. And also, I added this. You should add that too. See, why is nothing working? Okay, so it's working, but the animations aren't playing. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna make the animations play. I'm gonna add this just in case. Okay, I figured out why my animations won't play is because they're different rig type. So what you want to do is, if you're making, I'm doing R6 rig. I don't know if you, R6 animation. I don't know if you are, but I'm gonna just, it's automatically gonna make the R6. It's gonna make the rig type R6. So let's see that jab. Okay, the jab is working. Yeah, and we can spam it like Mario 2. Gotta make it where can't move while doing it, but I'll do that sometime. And yeah, you see it's how slowing going down. I know, and probably actually in the next tutorial we're gonna make it where it's a percent thing at the bottom, not the. Now we're just gonna make the combo thing. We're gonna make a combo thing, so we are going to do a combo thing. So character set attribute, combo equals 1. So actually it's set attribute 2. If not char set attribute, if not char get attribute combo, then the combo will be 1. And if it is, then if target combo, the combo is 3, so we're gonna make it 3. Then char set combo 1. Else char set combo get combo +1, and we're gonna at the end we're gonna make it where if you don't press anything for like 0.5 seconds, the combo is gonna reset. So then char set attribute combo nil, which is nothing. Okay, so we're gonna make a combo system now. So if the combo equals 1, then copy all of this. And we are going, don't copy that though, put it over here. And if the combo is 2, I'm gonna get this. It's gonna be M2. And we're gonna make it fire a. And if it's else, if it is else if it's 2, then then that's gonna copy this and put it inside this. Now finally, if it's 3, there's gonna be a longer delay, so we're gonna make it 3. But this time the cooldown, I mean like the end lag is a little, just slightly longer, and yeah. This should work now. Let's test it. And I think we have enough time today. Well, I'm gonna make the knockback only for the final hit though. Knockback for the final hit. So you see, you can spam it when you hit someone. It's not working. Nothing in output too. And I don't know why you can. Okay, yeah, you can move forward. Probably should fix that. Okay. First, let's fix the. Oh. I'm gonna change this to if it is M2. We're gonna make it where you don't have to make a new if then for each animation, probably in the next episode. But this one's just supposed to be short. I'm gonna do something. If skip that parent, because there's too much goofy things happening. Humanoid dot player action equals enum dot player actions dot. I just want to see what happens if I put this inside the run service thing. And it's probably gonna not work, but still. And we're gonna make it where you can't move while you're doing it. So for now, game that run service, heartbeat, connect function. This will probably only work if. I'm just gonna make it work. Adapt to situation. If local humanoid walk speed equals humanoid, get that parent wait for char humanoid dot walk speed. We're gonna also add if get that parent get attribute can't input, then the humanoid equals script that parent, wait for child, humanoid, walk speed equals this, and if the can't input zone is going to be 0. Okay, let's test it now. Okay, yeah, we get stunned. I don't know why the thing is playing. I don't know why the combo's playing, guys. What's here? Okay, we're gonna make it with the combo thing. Will only get bigger if you actually hit someone with the combo thing. So we're gonna copy this, but we're gonna remove this, and we're gonna set it if hit play. We're gonna do this. Put inside here too, and finally inside here. And I'm gonna try to delete that. Yeah, it's not working. So you have to hit someone first. So you have to hit someone and then the combo works. So it's just not connecting. Interface. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna make it the only set to nil if char get attribute combo equals remembered combo, then I'm gonna also do remembered combo equals this. Okay, let's test it now. How is the combos working now? Also, you can see if you do the last hit, then it'll be like that. Okay. There's a bug where it does the final hit 2 times, and I think I may know how to fix that. We're gonna get this and we'll put this in, but we're gonna remove this. Okay. I'm also gonna add knockback, so I'm gonna do for the final hits. I'm gonna do hit player dot root part to assembly then the velocity equals humanoid dot root part C frame look vector times workspace dot gravity times hit player dot root part get mass times 10. I don't know if this will be too far or not far. Let's test it out. I'm gonna do that, and I'm also gonna make it where our script that parent wait for child just set attribute can't input true. Once it's done loading, then it'll be nil. Okay, see, it's pretty much working right now. Oh, Yeah, when I said we don't know if it's too much knockback or not enough knockback, I think it was too much knockback. So, what if we just try to? Will it still be too much knockback if I get rid of this times 10? Let's see. We're also gonna, I promise we're gonna add particles in the next episode too. So, let's see. Why do we spawn all the way there? Okay. Okay. Yeah, you guys can make that a little lower. Just a little, you know? We're gonna just divide this by like 10. Maybe. Also, I think you guys probably make better animations than me, so you guys should try to like make better animations. Okay, now that's just like no knockback. Also, yeah, I mean, it's alright though. Okay, I'll change this to this, and we're gonna put this as at the heartbeat function. And yeah, I removed the priority thing. Let's just make some basic particles that when you hit the player NPC, and the NPC and the humanoid root part of the NPC, and a particle emitter. You may have to make your own texture. That's my particle. We name this particle hit particle and make it not enabled. Now in combat server side here in the take damage thing, to hit player dot root part. Wait for child hit particle. Also, this right now only work with NPCs and not actual players. You can't hit actual players yet. I think you can. You guys can try. No, I think you can actually hit other players as long as you didn't do the particle thing. But yeah, it probably won't work if the other players. Anyways, gonna make a one. We're gonna copy this, and then all the places that say take damage, like not there, like here. Okay, let's try this one more time.